Hi, Eileen Veilleux, the fam here. Welcome to our February installment on my Therabox subscription box. Now, I haven't opened this yet, so we're going to see what's in it together. Let's see what type of goodies they have this month. I'm going to very carefully open that. Now, the very first thing in the box is your indulged little magazine. And the magazine shows you different ways that right here on how you can get free bonus gifts. And then it shows you all the different items in here, as you can see. And you have you get 8 items, sometimes 10 in the box. And it also has the frequently asked questions in the back. So they always tell you everything that's there. Now, the very first thing in the box that I see is a Grace and Stellar Down for the Peel foot mask. It's a Dr. Pedicure foot peeling mask. Lavender. And it's right here. This is the front of it, as you can see. And these are the directions on the back, and it even has a nice little thank you for it. Now, the next item I see in here is a bergamot, geranium, rosewood, lavender aromatherapy body set. It's aromatherapy. And let's smell it. Oh, that smells nice. And this is your big thing for your aromatherapy on what it is right there. And I love my aromatherapies. And the next item is Toe Talk. Mind and body socks. That is cool. It says, "You got this. Total consciousness from the ground up. From the yoga or pilot studio to mindfulness, practice or meditation. Toe Talk's stylish line of socks provides a personal mantra to help you focus your mind and get your soul going." That's the top of it, and those are the bottom of it. So those are kind of neat. I like them. The next item in here is a scalp and hair scrub. Pear Blossom. Let me get it where you can read it. And that's what that looks like. As you can see, it's sealed, so I'll probably use this tonight when I wash my hair. The next item in the box is Eyes, baby. Anti-aging eye cream. So they have a lot of good items this month, as always. And then is 10 free chemistry biopeptide complex. It's non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free. I have no idea what it's used for though yet. I would have to read the book. Let's take it out and see if it shows a little bit more detail. Oh, it's clean nail color. I will have to try that and let you guys see what it looks like, although I don't have very big nails. And the next item in the box, as you can see, you get lots of items. So far, That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is item number 7. And it is hydrating face mist. As you can see here, and it is okay, it is sealed, so I cannot smell it, but that's what that one is. And as we look, we have a daily affirmations book. And this is what the back of it looks like. So every month on these boxes, you get a lot of excellent items. While I'm talking, I'm just going to make sure that's it. Yep. Excuse me. So that's what we got for this month's box. As you can see, lots and lots of good stuff. I love everything that they give. I'm definitely going to be using this aromatherapy oil. Oh, it's a body cleanse. Aromatherapy body cleanse. So you actually use this on your body. I will have to be reading more onto that to give you more information on it. But that's what that is. And right now I am just going to be putting these back in the box, so that we have them. But as you can see, lots and lots of nice stuff in here. I mean, it's what you get in these boxes is well worth it for the price. They do have different subscription prices for different amounts. You can do the one time, which is a gift. You can do it month to month subscription. You can do a 3-month subscription or a 6-month or a year. So they give you different options. Now, these are mainly for, I think most of them are for females, but as you can see, a lot of the things men can use as well. And they do have some boxes that is made just for men, but I do highly recommend that you check them out. There is a where you can check it out right there. It's www.mytherabox.com. They do have a Facebook page as well. And you can also find them on cratejoy.com, where you can, also find other different types of subscription boxes. But I am very happy with the Therabox. It is an awesome subscription. I have the hiccup, so you'll have to forgive me. But it's an awesome subscription box. And I love when I get it every month. I can't wait until the next month. These things are so awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed this month's Therabox opening, and stick around because you'll see another one next month. And we have lots of new things coming on our channel as we're doing different games as well for mental health with prizes and awards. So until I see you again, remember, always see with your heart and not your eyes. I love you. Bye.